So welcome back to Codement and my name is Ajinkya. So in today's episode we are going to see 500 companies which are paying like the outstanding amount for software developer roles and different roles which are listed in the tech industry. So this is the GitHub repo which is compiled by this user and all credit goes to him and his name is Michael Tromba or something else, something like that. So he has created a list of almost like 500 top paying companies in the tech industry. So let's get started from the first one, and that is OpenAI. So as we know, OpenAI is the company behind the Chat GPT, and so if you just click on this levels.fyi, this is the portal where you can check the labels, like different roles which are present in that company, and what are the experience required for that, and also what is the salary range for that particular position. So this is the one which I was talking about, and if you take a look at it, so this is a software engineer role with level 5, and they are offering this is the outstanding amount and fair, like base salary is almost 310k. So that's almost like this way beyond the imagination, and this is the topmost role in the tech industry at the moment as of 2023, which is paying at max. And this is a stock option that is almost like 625k USDs, and the requirement is you should have 8 years of experience, and this is yearly package, and there are some employees which are having this package, and this is the last updated date of this current package. So also you can check different openings with similar range, and also you can check like how the stocks are distributed, 25% each for each year for the next 4 years. So that means the stock options, like this is a 625k stock option, so these options, like these stocks are distributed over 4 years. So going back to the list, yeah, so simply you can search for OpenAI, and so this is the company, and you just have to Google it, and if you just search OpenAI job openings, so you will be able to see the careers page, and here on the careers page you can check different departments, let's say engineering, and this is software engineering role, yeah, and yeah, so this is the salary range for this particular role, and these are the benefits, and also there are requirements mentioned for this particular role. So simply you can apply for this role if you are interested and if you are suitable for this role. So the main thing is you should target these kind of companies which are having very good funding, and when these companies are highly investing in their development in their R&D department. So yeah, so this is the OpenAI, which is the first company which are so this company is offering outstanding amount that is unmatchable at the moment in the tech industry. Yeah, so you can check on the levels for more details about this company and all the job openings. So moving on to next, this is the other company. This is another company, and so this is Copang. Copang is e-commerce based company based in South Korea and Seattle. So I guess this is in South Korea. So also they have office in Seattle. So just visit the website and go to the career section, and if you just check the locations, yeah, so this company is already available at different locations including India, Bangalore, Seattle, Shanghai, Singapore, USA remote, Japan, and likewise. So if I want to just check the salary range in Seattle, and if I just add software developer, so yeah, so for the Seattle role, this is the role which is currently available, and this is last updated on 3rd of December, and you can check about the requirements, responsibilities. Yeah, so this is for 8 years plus experience with 6 years plus into fundamental algorithms and system design and large distributed systems, and these are the languages. Yeah, and the salary range is 297k, so that's also amazing. That's also very cool, and these are the extra benefits which are they providing. Yeah, so this is the max range or the median range we can say, or the average range for this Copang. So you can check on the levels. Yeah, so this is the max one which is currently available and Copang, so that's almost like 400k USD. That's simply amazing. And this is the role which is based in San Francisco, which offers 641k USD. That's also way beyond the average. And this is the base salary, and these are the stock options. Yeah, so basically this is a list of 500 companies which are offering these kind of amazing offers and salary packages. So you can just check about the Netflix. Yeah, so the most important thing is there might be chances that you might not be eligible for these kind of roles. So that's fine. That's means it is obvious, like no one can beat these kind of roles because that is the topmost roles in the tech industry. But you can check the company websites, and you can find out the roles which are suitable to you. So let's say if I want to check the Airbnb, so yeah, so simply I'll go to the current levels, and Airbnb is offering the max is 600k USD. Yeah, so yeah, so this role is based in Seattle. Definitely, like most of the people might not be eligible for this role, but simply they can Google about Airbnb and go to the career section. Okay, simply you can search with this, and you will land up on the careers page. And when you explore more, yeah. So currently I'm in London location. So let's see if they do have any openings. Yeah. So for London, depending upon the different departments, yeah. So there are no current openings. But if I change the location, let's say Dublin, then Bangalore. Yeah. So for Bangalore, there is an opening for Airbnb, and so these are the requirements, like 15 plus years of experience, and yeah, salary range is not mentioned here. So yeah, so if you don't find any suitable role, so you can move to the next one. And yeah, so there are lots of companies, like this is the Coinbase. Yeah, so there are lots of companies which are not mentioned on the career portals, like on most of the portals. And so you can just check on the careers website. This is London, and in London basically there are 2 openings. So if I just change the location, so there are no openings. Okay, so for all locations, yeah, so this is engineering, so remote. Yeah, so this is basically machine learning engineer for all, like it's a remote job all over India, and this is also a remote job all over USA. Yeah, so accordingly you can just check the requirements, what they are expecting for this role. And yeah, so this is for like 2 plus years of experience. And yeah, so these are the things which I mentioned. These are the primary requirements. And I guess salary range is not mentioned, so it might depend on the your current experience level and expertise level. So yeah, so it varies basically. Yeah, so you can move on to the next one. And if you just search for this, Grammarly job openings. Yeah, so Grammarly also offers, this is the median range, and if you want to check on the levels, what are the current salary ranges for this? Yeah, so this is the one, and they are also offering the 600k range, and that is also based in San Francisco. Yeah, basically. And also the other opening is based in Canada, which is also offering the second most upper range of salary. And if you just go to the career section, and simply I'll check all locations, engineering. Yeah. So software engineer backend. Yeah, so software engineer backend, and this is the role. And these are the requirements. Yeah, and let's see if they have mentioned the salary range or not. Okay, so it is not there, but definitely you can check the suitable role for you, and as per that you can apply for the respective role. Yeah, so this is what software engineering need, and this is based in Canada, United States or Canada. And yeah, these are the Germany based roles. So product security, and yeah, so Grammarly, as you know, this is really outstanding company, and they have a really good product which is Grammarly, and which is like there is a huge user base, so they might have a very good budget, and they are heavily investing on the development section, so R&D and all that. So definitely you can target these kind of companies. As you know, like Facebook is there, Amplitude is there, Airtable is there. So there are some of the companies which are mentioned, and which are not that much popular, but definitely you can give it a try. And yeah, so you can check the respective roles which are suitable for you, and you can also get these kind of packages if you are suitable for that particular role, and if you just uh, if you are able to qualify all those rounds of interviews and all that. So yeah, this is another opening for Slack, and this is the senior software engineer role, and this is another. Oh yeah, so this is the base range, which is already way beyond the normal average. Yeah, so this is for 10 years of experience role, and this for 7 years of experience. They are offering like this is 265k. Yeah, and the location is, yeah, again it's Pittsburgh, so that's for USA. And simply if you want to check openings for Slack, so just Google it and search for job opportunities. So this is the first link which you will get, and view on the careers, all locations, and then engineering, or if you're looking for like sales and all that, so definitely you can check your requirement. And this is, yeah, also you can check for internship, so the people who are currently in college, the students and all that, so all those people can search for internship roles as well. So this is machine learning role. Yeah, so if you are in college, so it's better if you target these kind of roles from your graduate years. So if you are in the second year, third year, so definitely you can target one of these kind of roles, and so definitely you can check the job requirements. So yeah, so this is basically 4 years of experience it is required for this role. But whatever things are required for this particular role, so you can learn those things. You can build some projects, and you can write some logs, and you can maintain those things on your GitHub profile. And if there are some internship roles available for a particular duration, so definitely they would be happy to consider you. So it's a good way to target these kind of jobs, so that you will get clarity that this is the requirement in the market, and accordingly you can search for it. Yeah. So alright, so I think this is pretty much of it, and I hope this list is quite helpful for you to get understanding about the current range of packages. And so this is basically this is the list of top 500 highest paying companies which are available for all software engineers. And so the main thing is, you just go to any of your dream company and just check the current roles, and once you check the role, you can apply for it, or you can prepare for it for at least like 3 to 4 months, and after that you can apply for it. So it's not easy for anyone to get these kind of amazing jobs. So it takes some time. It takes at least 3 to 4 months of dedicated preparation, and after that only you'll be able to at least crack 2 to 3 rounds, and if you're lucky enough, so you'll get a job. Alright, so this list is again created by this user, that's Michael Tromba. So huge shout out for him for creating this list and providing the insights regarding the software industry salary ranges. Alright, so hope this is helpful for you. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and that will give me enough motivation. You will not lose anything, so that's free of cost, but I will get motivation to create such kind of content for you. And these kind of if you look at the content, so these kind of things are hidden from the job market, so I'm trying to give it to more and more people. So your appreciation really matters to me. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode. Thank you.